Music in presents Michael, Angelo, Batio, live concert.
Yes! Thank you so very much. Thank you. The next song I want to play is one of mine, and it is called Rainforest. Thank you. Now, when I think of this song, I thought to myself, Dream Theater meets Metallica. And what do I mean from that? That riff has 11 counts, not 10, 11. So when you headbang, because it's Dream Theater, you're like, 11! You have to think with a mathematical purpose. You have to think math. That's just the way it is. This is my song called Rainforest. People ask me, Michael, why did you call the song Rainforest? Why not? It's my song. I can call it what I want. But I know one thing. I am not the greatest singer. So you will not hear me go, rainforest, 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 rain. No! I'm just too metal. But you will hear the melody on guitar. Now, I'm going to say something that you are the first people in the world to hear this. I was in a band a long time ago called Nitro. Nitro is doing our first reunion ever. We are going to come here next year to tour. We are doing a new album. Jim Gillette, it's gonna be badass. It's gonna be heavy. We are on a big record company in the United States. Our album will be out next year, and we will come to India to tour. I have a 10-year visa to come here because I love India. I can come here a lot. So thank you so much. This is Rainforest. Why? Why not? It's called Rainforest. That's my song. You're not going to hear it called, Ooh, Baby, I Love You, I Love You. No! Rainforest. Here we go.